Alright, so I'm going to begin by adding about 3 tablespoons. Adding next is some baking soda. The baking soda helps the cookies to spread. This is about a teaspoon, about 1 full teaspoon of baking soda. Some orange juice. The orange juice adds to the flavor and it helps to activate the baking soda. And the juice from the orange will be the only juice, the only liquid, the only other liquid that we're adding to. This is about 2 cups of oats. I'm going to be adding some whole wheat flour to help with the binding of the oats, helps to hold the oats together. So maybe around half a cup of flour. I'll just add this in. If you find you need more liquid in it, just add more orange juice to it. This consistency is the consistency that you really want to achieve. It's not wet and it's not dry. It will hold together pretty well, you know. So alright, we're gonna start by dropping 1 tablespoon on our greased baking sheet. So just get 1 tablespoon. So you can, to make it easier, you can just wet the spoon like so before. Scoop it up in there. I need to leave a good amount of space between each cookie, like about 2 inches or 1.5 inches. These, I'm gonna sprinkle the top of these with some cinnamon, extra cinnamon and sugar, just a little bit. I'm gonna put them in. They're gonna be in there for about 10 to 15 minutes. They should spread out and come out golden, right? So see you soon. These cinnamon sugar cookies took about 12 minutes to bake completely, and as you can see, they're nice and golden brown. One bite into these, you get a nice crunch on the outside. Inside is very soft. Nice flavor from the cinnamon, sugar, and coconut oil. I do hope that you enjoy these, enjoy baking them, enjoy them with some tea in the morning as an healthy breakfast alternative. Thank you for joining me.